Wow, it's warm in here, man.
Yeah.
We're approaching 10 degrees. I removed a wall, so we're only 3 walls in here, and I bet you we could get it in 30 degrees up in here today, probably. Hot.
We're at the winter camp. It is hot. I just took my jacket off. Like, we've only had this fire going for about 5 minutes. Quick 10-cent tour there. We're gonna go with the bacon, which is always a must. Then we just caught this pig down by the lake and we brought him back. And we didn't catch a pig, I'm just kidding. So then we got corn chips and chili with the the Black Diamond.
Pull that away because Tupperware will be.
And first is going to be cheeseburgers, and they're stuffed with bacon already. Usually we don't cook this early.
15 degrees?
And it's 15.
It just went 5 degrees in less than 5 minutes. Should probably wash that off, wipe that down, but yeah, I'll wipe it down here in a minute.
Yeah, it's hot.
It's at 15 degrees Celsius in here right now already. So we got rid of the damper.
What did you do to
So that's just a plug, so the hole's not there.
Right.
It's just a nut and a bolt, a wing nut. So I took the damper out, I got rid of it. Now, how many fires have we had out here? We've been camping out here in these woods for 3 years. Spark arrestor, you know what? It's so wet in here. Spark arrestor gets so clogged up, so it's been adjusted and removed, and the damper's been removed. So now it's just free flow. We use softwood, we use everything, things get all clogged up.
Yeah, we use that.
Look how this thing is performing right now. I mean, it's ridiculous.
It's hot.
It seriously went up almost 3 degrees since the last time we looked. It's almost 20 degrees right now. It's crazy in here. I wouldn't put that next to that fire, bud.
How about you cover that for me? I'll move because it's hot shit, you right?
In 3 seconds, how hot that feels already. That's how close that is to melting. Get those away. It's hot to the touch already, like super hot. Holy smokes, bud.
I know.
Okay,
I know that is hot. Yeah.
Try to dumb that down maybe a little bit there.
Yeah. Now hunker down a little bit, buddy.
Hunker down.
I know.
Almost 20 degrees already. You can't see it in your camera. I gotta wipe that down. I'm gonna wipe that thing down somehow.
We were there 3 weeks ago, and that was a trip and a half, so we're gonna be back. Once we get the bacon cooked, everything else will be pretty quick.
We have leftover wood from our last time out, so we didn't have to come here and do a huge wood gathering, which is nice. Plus I found a couple more spots where there's really good wood. The next 2 or 3 times out here, we're good. But as you can see, you know, there is some value in spark arrestor. Little things that we've got holes all over the place. So.
It's like the bottom of my tongue.
The tarp idea, I mean, it's been out here now for
3 blizzards.
A month and a half, almost 2 months. It's our fourth or fifth visit to it. We've stayed out here overnight once, like for a tarp shelter. Tarp shelter, you're just supposed to put the tarp up. It's not supposed to be permanent. That thing is firing on all cylinders right now, man. Holy smoke. 20 degrees in here. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna take my coat off here soon.
How do you like your bacon? Medium rare?
Oh. I like it crispy, actually.
Yeah.
Nothing worse than trying to bite a piece of bacon when you're taking a bite of your burger and you can't separate it. I'd rather the shit just crunch and come with me. It'll make me use my T-Rexes.
Speaking of the T-Rexes, they were real, eh, buddy? Did you know that?
Yep, right on, yeah, man. Awesome. 60 million years ago when they went extinct. Awesome. Of course, only paleontologists actually find fossils, but that's okay. You're right. You find a tooth and they know what the whole damn thing looked like. 4-inch tooth. This thing must have been 4 stories tall.
A lot of little per dinosaur.
Yeah. 1 minute they were lizards, now they're birds. I don't know what the hell they're on.
We got some awesome grass bacon. We'll get her going. We're back.